If you're over 60 and noticing your arms getting weaker, legs feeling shaky, or energy fading faster, this isn't just aging, it's muscle loss, and the medical term is sarcopenia. But what if you could reverse it, starting today, without expensive supplements or workouts that hurt your joints? In this video, you'll discover 12 powerful, natural remedies that help seniors rebuild strength, reduce swelling, and protect their independence. Most people only know 3 or 4 of these. Don't miss the rest. Greek yogurt isn't just a trendy breakfast, it's one of the highest natural sources of leucine, a branched-chain amino acid crucial for muscle repair. What makes it special for seniors? Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained, which means twice the protein and less sugar. One serving can deliver 15 to 20 grams of protein in a soft, easy-to-digest form, perfect for aging digestion. Look for plain, full-fat options with live probiotics for added gut health support, which also affects nutrient absorption. Think spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard. These aren't just healthy foods, they're cell protectors. Leafy greens contain magnesium, potassium, and nitrates, which help reduce muscle cramps and improve blood flow. Muscle loss is often made worse by chronic inflammation. These greens help calm that inflammation and support collagen production, which is essential for strong joints and tendons. Try adding a handful to your morning eggs, smoothie, or sauté them in olive oil as a side dish. Exercise first thing in the morning doesn't just wake you up. It activates growth hormone, which declines rapidly after age 60. This hormone plays a key role in rebuilding muscle. But here's the thing. You don't need to lift heavy weights. Just 10 to 20 minutes of bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, or walking with light hand weights can spark real change. Pair this habit with protein within 30 minutes after your session for maximum muscle-building impact. Lean beef, especially grass-fed, provides complete protein, vitamin B12, and creatine, a naturally occurring compound that helps muscles store energy. Grass-fed beef liver in particular is like a multivitamin in food form. It's packed with iron, CoQ10, and vitamin A, all critical for energy, stamina, and cellular repair. Seniors who are low in iron often feel exhausted, weak, and dizzy. Including lean red meat just 2 to 3 times a week can help reverse these symptoms. This isn't just a cooking oil, it's liquid gold for aging bodies. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that works like ibuprofen. It also supports heart health, which is tightly connected to circulation and muscle oxygenation. Drizzle it over salads, vegetables, or even your morning toast. Make it your primary oil, and ditch the inflammatory ones like corn or soybean. Eggs, nature's muscle multivitamin, if you will. Eggs are one of the most bioavailable protein sources on the planet. What does that mean, you ask? Well, it means your body can absorb and use them very efficiently. They're also rich in vitamin D, B12, and choline, which are crucial for muscle signaling and nerve health. This is especially important for coordination and balance in older adults. And hey, don't skip the yolks. That's where most of the nutrients live. So aim for 1 to 2 eggs daily or more if your doctor gives the green light. Let's talk about beans and legumes. True muscle and gut fuel. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are protein-rich, fiber-packed superstars. So why do they matter for muscle? The fiber helps balance blood sugar and reduce fat storage, while the plant-based protein supports lean muscle maintenance. They're also full of potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals often low in older adults. Try black beans in soups, lentils in salads, or hummus as a snack. Delicious and nutritious. Now, onto berries, small fruit, big repair power. Berries, especially blueberries and blackberries, contain anthocyanins, which fight oxidative stress in aging muscles. You see, muscle breakdown speeds up when free radicals go unchecked. Berries act like an internal repair team, neutralizing damage and supporting blood flow to tired muscles. Add them to your Greek yogurt or smoothies, or enjoy frozen ones year-round. They're a tasty way to keep those muscles in check. Alright, so walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and the minerals your muscles really crave. For seniors, these healthy fats can help reduce joint pain, lower inflammation, and support hormone production, especially testosterone, which, naturally declines with age, but still matters for both men and women. Try snacking on a small handful every day, or maybe add some seeds to your oats or yogurt. Whey protein is, honestly, one of the fastest digesting sources of complete protein, and it's also one of the most studied when it comes to reversing sarcopenia. Just one shake in the morning or after a workout can give you about 20 to 30 grams of clean, muscle-building fuel. Make sure you choose a version without added sugar or artificial sweeteners, and for the best results, pair it with strength training and, of course, a good night's sleep. Sleep the muscle rebuilding phase you're missing. You can eat all the protein and do all the workouts, but if you're not sleeping deeply, you're missing the moment your body naturally rebuilds muscle tissue. Poor sleep disrupts growth hormone, increases cortisol, and accelerates muscle breakdown. If you struggle with sleep, avoid caffeine after 2 p.m., turn off screens at least an hour before bed, and try a magnesium-rich bedtime drink like warm milk with turmeric. Hydration, the muscle lubricant. Dehydration shrinks your muscle cells. Without enough fluid, your body can't move nutrients into muscles or remove waste products. Most seniors are mildly dehydrated and don't even realize it. Aim for 6 to 8 cups of water per day, but consider adding electrolytes or eating water-rich foods like cucumbers and citrus to stay truly hydrated. Bonus tip: drink a glass of water first thing in the morning to activate digestion and muscle metabolism. Let's recap. If you're over 60 and noticing weakness, fatigue, or leg swelling, this doesn't have to be your new normal. Your body wants to heal and rebuild. It just needs the right tools. And now you've got 12 of them. Start with just one habit a day. Add Greek yogurt for breakfast, do 10 minutes of light exercise, or swap your oils. Within a week, you could start feeling stronger, more energized, and more stable on your feet. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated routines, just real food, smart habits, and consistency. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs it. Which of these habits are you already doing, and which ones surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural, science-backed tips to stay strong, active, and independent after 60.